In the rapid development of modern cities, traffic management centers play a vital role. The Traffic Control Center Console is the core of this system. The Traffic Control Center Console is the nerve center of urban traffic management. It collects and processes data from various traffic nodes in the city in real time through an integrated monitoring system. This data include vehicle flow, traffic conditions, accident information, etc. Provide decision support to traffic authorities to help them effectively deal with various traffic challenges. Technical characteristics of Traffic Control Center Console. Stability and reliability. The console is designed with durable materials and construction, ensure stable operation in a variety of environments to meet the needs of 24 hours of uninterrupted work. Ergonomic design. Taking into account the need for operators to work long hours. The design of the console fully considers the ergonomic principle to ensure the comfort and efficiency of operation. Easy to expand and upgrade as traffic management needs change. The design of the console allows for the easy addition of new devices and features to adapt to new challenges.